Alright, here we go, boom.
It's like 35.
Okay, so they tell us A equals B, B equals E, and we want to find F. If an exterior angle at A measures 107 degrees. Right, and then they tell us B equals 5x plus 2, and C equals 5x plus 5. Right, so they want F. So A equals B, A equals D and B equals E, and what comes to C? Right, C equals F. So really we're just finding C. If we find C, it's the same as F. Okay? So remember it's that same theorem, we have these two remote interior angles. Equals this one, exactly. 5x plus 2 plus 5x plus 5 equals 107. Yep, exactly. Combine like terms, solve for x. Plug x back into C, and then it's the same thing for x. Any other questions, Sarah?
Number 6.
6. Okay, so we have this triangle. And then we have 120, and then those two sides are the same. Okay, Sarah, how do we find that top angle? This one right here.
Oh, we subtract 180 from
180 minus 120?
Yes.
You get 60, right?
Yeah.
And then, since these two sides are the same, they're trying to show you that these two angles are also the same.
So it's just 6.
Yeah, so all of them are 60. Exactly. Myra?
Number 8.
Number 8. Okay, so if LMN, or in triangle LMN, the measure of an exterior angle at N measures 99 degrees. There's LMN, an exterior angle measures 99 degrees. Tells L is 1/3 x. M is 2/3 x. So they want L, M, and L, N, M. So these three angles. Okay? So what do you notice first, Myra?
That angle L plus angle N equals 99.
Yep. 1/3 x plus 2/3 x. 99. So solve for x. 1/3 plus 2/3. 1.
99.
X equals 99. Okay, so we're going to take that 99, plug it in to multiply by 1/3, that'll give us L. Multiply by 2/3, that'll give us M. And if we have these two angles, 180 minus those two angles will give us that third one, right? Good. Get your notes up, please.
Do I have to come to this class?
You don't have to do that.
Well, you're gonna make it feel
Okay. As this loads, we're on chapter 4, section 4. 9 sections in this chapter, so this is the last one for our quiz.
So there's
I'm not,
Eli.
I lied to you. I think there's 9. Yeah, there's 9. So tomorrow we're gonna do quiz review. Thursday we'll take a quiz. Chapter 4, section 4. Congruent triangles. Okay. So we have corresponding sides and corresponding angles. Windy outside. Okay, so corresponding sides are sides of 2 separate figures that are in the same position. Blow your minds, right? Corresponding angles. Angles of 2 separate figures that are in the same position. Okay, so if we have 2 shapes and they have corresponding sides and corresponding angles, we can call them congruent polygons. So congruent polygons have corresponding sides and angles. Okay. So this works for triangles, squares, rectangles, hexagons, any polygon up there is going to work with triangles. Okay, so if I give you triangle ABC, triangle DEF, okay, the way that they're going to tell us that sides are congruent or corresponding, that little tick mark. Right? Side AB has 1 tick mark. Side DE also has 1 tick mark. Okay. Now, if they wanted to show you that side BC has a different length, but is congruent to side EF, then they put 2 of them. Okay, at the last side there, you put 3 of them. And they're all different. And they're 100 different ones. Crazy. Okay, so we have AC congruent to DI. Yeah, Gabe.
What makes triangles so important compared to other shapes?
What do you mean?
They're strong.
Like why we're talking about triangles instead of rectangles?
Yeah. Or other shapes as we're going along.
Well, we'll talk about circles eventually.
Still,
What's half of a square?
triangle.
Triangle. Yeah. What's half of a rectangle? Triangle. Okay. A lot of different ways.
You can call it like this, has 2 rectangles.
Okay. These little arc marks tell us their angles are congruent. So angle A congruent to angle D. Angle B is going to have 2 arc marks. So is angle E. So that tells us angle B is congruent to angle E. Any guesses on C?
3.
3. It's crazy. C and F are going to have 3 arc marks. So then angle C is congruent to angle F. Okay. So I have these 2 triangles. Really just one triangle split right down the middle. They label it E, F, G, and H. They tell us angle E is 21.6 degrees.